Major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, have been on the rise lately, but you might be wondering what's so special about it. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Ethereum, mind-blowing ETH projections you've got to see. The Ethereum network started burning thousands of coins each day. This is not only a welcome blow to Ether's inflation, many expect that in the future, it may make it a deflationary asset. In the past, you might have seen Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, as both have many similarities. That includes both being digital currencies that are stored in crypto wallets, and both are decentralized. This means that they aren't regulated by an authority, including a central bank. But perhaps what you didn't know is Ethereum's market capitalization in the crypto space trails just Bitcoin. Ethereum's market capitalization exceeds $450 billion, while Bitcoin is now valued at more than $1.2 trillion. During that period, Ethereum has skyrocketed by nearly 1,000%. Likewise, Ethereum is following similar positive trends of Bitcoin. If you thought the gains in the past week were impressive, then you'll be blown away by what's happening in the past year. The recent surge of Bitcoin can be attributed to Gary Gensler, chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, repeating his support for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds or ETFs. Before we move on, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now so you'll get to see more mind-blowing ETH projections, or else you'll not be updated on the latest ETH price high, so don't miss a thing. Firstly, Ethereum is more volatile than Bitcoin due to its smaller market cap. In an average year, Ethereum's standard deviation of annualized returns will be 10% higher than Bitcoin's, according to the CFTC. Historically, Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin during bull markets and underperformed during bear markets. I do not believe that it'll change the cycle. Similarity between the current Ethereum price and the Bitcoin price cycle of 2013 to 2017. The framework is simple and the chart speaks for itself. Ethereum is one market cycle behind Bitcoin. If this framework holds true, Ethereum could reach a cycle high of roughly $19,683. This framework has Ethereum outperforming even the most optimistic Bitcoin price targets. Plan B's stock-to-flow cross-asset model has a Bitcoin target price of $288,000 by cycle end. This constitutes a 4.36 times increase from current prices. PAL's Ethereum model constitutes a 4.77 times increase and matches the CFTC study regarding a 10% volatility difference. Even though I personally believe that these price targets are overly optimistic, my base case is Ethereum quadrupling by the end of March 2022. At the very least, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin for the rest of the cycle due to its volatility differential. On October 29, 2021, the second largest crypto asset in terms of market valuation, Ethereum, reached an all-time price high at $4,467 per unit. As Ethereum tests new price highs, the average Ether transfer fees on-chain skyrocket. The two leading crypto assets by market valuation have had issues with high transfer fees for many years now, but this month, Ethereum's network fees are significantly higher than Bitcoin's. On Saturday, October 30th, Bitcoin's average network fee, according to bitinfocharts.com data, shows BTC fees are around 0.0000015 BTC per byte of $3.15 per transaction. The same web portal tracking Ethereum or ETH gas fees notes that to move some Ether, it'll cost around 0.012 ETH or $50.53 per transaction. The data shows that on Saturday morning, ETH fees are 1,504% higher than BTC network fees. Data stemming from the website L2fees.info are a bit more modest in comparison to bitinfocharts.com's metrics. At the time of writing, to move Ethereum, it'll cost $18.45 per transaction. The cost of transfer Ethereum-based tokens and swap tokens via a smart contract is much higher. The transfer of token fee, according to L2fees.info on Saturday, is $43.13 per transaction and over $94 to swap tokens by interacting with a smart contract. The lowest Ether transaction fee of $18.45 is still 485% higher than the average BTC transfer today. Second-layer Ether transaction costs and swap token fee estimates. Moving Ethereum with a second-layer mechanism like Arbitrum or Polygon Hermes is much cheaper to use than on-chain ETH transfers on the main network. At press time, Polygon Hermes-based Ether transactions cost around $0.25 per transfer, while Loopring's ZK Rollup L2 solution is $0.74. ZK Sync will cost a user $1.03 per cent, and leveraging Arbitrum 1 is around $4.21. The EVM-compatible optimistic rollup chain Optimism's fees today at $4.31 per transaction. Using Loopring to swap tokens, is also cheaper than the $94 average cost using Ethereum's mainnet. Loopring's swap tokens cost is $1.07. Optimism's fee to swap tokens is $5.54. And Arbitrum fees to swap tokens can cost $7.29, according to today's metrics hosted by L2fees.info. As ETH has reached an all-time high, on-chain fees are higher than usual following the Altair upgrade, which preps Ethereum for the next proof-of-stake transition. What's so special about Ethereum? Although Ethereum shares some similarities, it has some notable advantages over Bitcoin, with one being broadness. Specifically, Bitcoin is just a digital currency, while Ethereum was built as a general-purpose blockchain. This allows for unlimited smart contracts functions. Also, Ethereum can process transactions quicker on its network compared to Bitcoin. In addition, many developers opt to build their programs on Ethereum's platform because of its high decentralization. ETH, as the rest of the market, is tied at the hip of Bitcoin's price action. If Bitcoin embarks on another bull run, ETH can hope for one as well. Bitcoin usually has a cool-off phase after its mega bull runs, and that's when the altcoins take over and have a field day with the bulls, often doubling or tripling their price within days. The price of Ethereum or ETH is currently sitting at $4,567.56, down 3% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, Ethereum hit a new all-time high of $4,859.50 on Wednesday. Furthermore, it's up from $738 on January 1st, meaning it has rocketed by more than six-fold since the beginning of the year. But there's no guarantee the price of Ethereum will rise that much again, or even that it'll rise at all, as cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. Before Ethereum started rising this year, its previous all-time high was on January in 2018, when it hit $1,290. The ETH 2.0 blockchain upgrade is not currently presented on Rating Resources since it'll take several years before the network is fully deployed. Validators reserve funds in blocks of 32 ETH to participate in staking. For making transactions, they will receive a percentage of commissions. At the moment, this reward is estimated at 8 to 13% per annum. The proof-of-stake algorithm will replace the less energy-efficient proof-of-work, due to which the network experience overloads this fall. And investors will receive new coins in exchange for old Ethereum in a 1:1 ratio. A reverse transition is not possible. Mining equipment manufacturers concentrated their efforts on creating more advanced ASICs. The highest average hash rate was recorded on Monday, November 8, 2021. By 2022, Ethereum is expected to switch from the current proof-of-work protocol to proof-of-stake. Miners won't need energy-intensive mining anymore. Instead, staked Ether is going to secure the network. Some experts claim that it'll increase its scalability, security, and sustainability, so they expect the value of Ethereum to rise as well. According to CoinPrice forecast, the value of Ethereum will rise in the first half of 2022, and the cost of ETH will almost reach $9,000. However, in the second half of the year, the price will decrease to $8,200. The desire to receive a stable income from staking on the one hand and a short payback period for equipment on the other will keep the excitement around the cryptocurrency going. The average value of the cryptocurrency is predicted to reach $11,850 by the end of 2023. Some are wondering where the price of Ethereum will wind up in the future, especially now given the recent gains. ETH, like the rest of the market, is at the center of Bitcoin's price action. So when Bitcoin starts a bull run, ETH can also hope for it. ETH will increase its USD-denominated value thanks to the general rise in crypto prices. The ratio between ETH and BTC is likely to decline. Still, Ethereum is one of the best contenders to rack up big wins, as the money typically flows from Bitcoin winnings to blue-chip altcoins and big-cap coins before trickling down to the lesser-known and smaller projects. The Ethereum price is forecasted to reach at least $6,156 by the beginning of December 2021. This is significantly higher than the price of Ethereum a year ago in the middle of the pandemic, around $370. As always with any cryptocurrency, remember that making money is never guaranteed, and you could lose all the cash you put in. Is Ethereum a good investment? What do you think about Ethereum network fees rising in recent times? Let's know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below.